Hi students, it's Mrs. Patel. So for this assignment, you guys have been thinking about cars and how to buy cars. So you're going to click on autotrader.com. Once you're here, you're going to click on Advanced Search in the top right corner. And then you're going to make some selections about a car that you're looking for. So you'll put in your zip code. You can put in used or certified. Certified cars are a little bit more expensive. They're also used, but the dealership passes them through inspections and offers a warranty on them. So it's up to you. You're going to put in your minimum price and maximum price that you've decided on. And then you can include any of these other criteria too. So you can select any of these specific things that you're looking for. Otherwise, under sellers, you're going to click dealers only because we're only looking at dealership listings. And then on this page, you're going to select two cars that you'd actually buy, but you want to look for ones that have a Carfax report. So you'll see this, show me the Carfax. So then once you click on it, you're going to jot down some of the information that you find, like the dealership who's selling the car, the price. You can click on the Carfax report. The Carfax report is basically a history of who has previously owned it and any maintenance that it's gone through. This is an example of a Carfax report. So no accidents have been reported, no damage has been reported. There have been 5 previous owners. And you can actually search through and see what the owners have done and what the owners have said. And so you'll kind of look through this information and jot down anything that sticks out at you as being really positive or something that would worry you or concern you about the car. Something else that you'll also need is this Kelley Blue Book value. So this is what Kelley Blue Book is saying would be a fair price for the vehicle. And then you're also going to, for your chart, look at reviews. So you're going to click on this KBB, which is Kelley Blue Book, and you'll search for that car. So you'll input the year, the make, the model. So just as an example, I'm just going to pick a random vehicle. You hit Get Reviews, and then when you scroll all the way down, you'll see some of the reviews. So you'll read through them and so just write down the trends that you're seeing of what people are saying about the car. And that's it.